Visualize for a moment. Imagine a nation that is free, yet still discovering its true strength. A nation built on sacrifice, hope, and courage. That nation is India. On 26th January, we don't just celebrate a date. We celebrate a decision. A decision to be governed not by power, but by principles. India is a republic because its head of state is the president, chosen by the people, for the people. Unlike nations such as Australia or Canada, which are free, yet part of the Commonwealth, India chose complete sovereignty. India chose to stand on its own constitution. On 26th January 1950, India didn't just gain freedom. India gained an identity. For the first time in history, a nation of countless religions, languages, cultures, and beliefs decided to live under one law and one shared promise. After independence in 1947, freedom raised a powerful question. How do we govern such a diverse nation fairly? The answer became the Indian Constitution. Under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, some of the finest minds of the country came together. For nearly 3 years, they didn't just write laws. They wrote hope. A constitution not for the powerful, but for every Indian, rich or poor, strong or vulnerable. It gave us fundamental rights: equality, freedom, justice, dignity. It taught us a powerful truth. No one is above the law, and no one is beneath it. Because of this constitution, a child can dream without fear, a woman can raise her voice, and every citizen can live with self-respect. It became the shield of the common man and the foundation of a just society. That is why 26th January stands tall in our hearts. Every year at Kartavya Path, New Delhi, the President hoists the tricolour. The parade reflects our strength, our armed forces, our cultural diversity, and our unity. From brave soldiers to young performers, from discipline to creativity, Republic Day reveals the soul of India. Across schools, colleges, offices, and villages, the flag rises, the anthem echoes, and millions of hearts beat as one. But Republic Day is not only a celebration, it is a reminder that freedom survives only when responsibility lives, that rights matter only when duties are honored, and that the future of India does not rest only in the Constitution. It rests in us. 26th January asks us a simple but powerful question. Are we worthy of the freedom we inherited? If we respect the law, stand for justice, protect unity, and act with integrity, then yes, we are. Let us not celebrate Republic Day for one day. Let us live it every day. Because India is not just a country. India is an idea worth protecting, an idea worth living for. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.